Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this DJI Mavic Pro Alpine White Edition we just received today. So we will get inside and see what we have inside this package. So the box comes with a really nice design. Okay, here we have this aircraft and extra 2 battery, remote control. We take out all and show you one by one. So inside this we got this power cable. So extra 2 battery. And the aircraft. And then inside here do have this micro USB cable. This is a charger to charge the battery. And from here do have this case to store this aircraft. Also come with extra cable for this RC. This is a Type C cable, and this is a micro USB cable. So this side inside do have propellers. And also come with a user menu. So the user menu we will go through later. Okay, so basically that package is just come with normal charger. The charger only can be charged one battery. Because this is a standard package, so this is what we have for the package come with. This is a extra propellers. Okay, quite a lot extra propellers they come with. So this is a extra one set. And also here got one pair as well. So basically this Alpine Y version is same as normal version. It's just they changed the color to the white color. The rest actually seem like a previous Mavic. Everything is remain, only that body they change to all white, and the propellers also they change to all white color. So the remote control also all white color. And they come with a pre-installed this iOS cable. So don't have the battery, we need to charge. The reason why I buy this Alpha Y, because previously I have this Mavic Pro, and I lost it, so I still got some of the battery. Then I don't want to waste it, so I decide to purchase another version for this Mavic. Also I do have this DJI goggles as well. So compared to the Mavic Air, I will more like with this Mavic Pro, because the Mavic Pro they are running OcuSync, and this Mavic Air is just running a Wi-Fi. If I use this DJI goggles, how to say that live view is not the best compared to this Mavic Pro, because the Mavic Pro they're running OcuSync, so very sharp and very clear. If you're using this Mavic Air, that live view for this goggles a bit lacking, even though that live view for this connect to the phone device or iPad also very lacking. So I still will prefer this Mavic Pro. So I will do more fly more tests for this Mavic Pro Alpha Y to show you the footage later on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next upcoming video.